So in the previous lecture we have seen the net present value, the basic sums of the net present value. Now we are going to see the advanced sums of table format. The cash flow of the project is given that no project would be accepted if the return is less than 10%. The salvage value at the end of the year is 40,000. Calculate net present value and comment. So basically the years, this is a question, this is a part of question and this is a part of answer. Okay, now the years are given 1 2 3 4 5 5 years are given. The outflow is mentioned 1,50,000, 30,000, and inflows are mentioned. The scrap value over here it is mentioned as 40,000. Then the values given over here, and now they have asked us to calculate the net present value. Done. So outflow of the C column we have done over here, taken over here 1,50,000. Inflows at discounted rate. Now to calculate the inflows at discounted rate, we need to multiply with what? D5. D5 is this, the inflow into discounted rates. Over here the discounted rates are mentioned, so we just need to calculate this, multiply with 20,000 with 0.909. with this you will get the all the values. Now once you will calculate one value, you just need to drag, ऐसे drag करना है आपको, and you will be done. Now here we need to take a total. How we are going to take the total? This column plus something, right, you will get the total. Over here again the sum from G5 to G10. Okay, now what the NPV says? NPV says it is inflow minus outflow. So we have G11 over here. Done. It is discounted rate, it is mentioned over here. This minus this, you will get automatically, you will get the net present value, and the net present value, positive net present value, denotes that the project should be accepted. We have second question over here, where the company is considering whether to purchase a new machine or not. The machine A and machine B are available for rupees 8 lakhs. Now the outflow is given for the two machine, it is how much? 8 lakhs. Earning after the taxation are as follows. Now the earning after the taxations are given, are provided. Now this must be a question. Done. ये question का part है. Now present value cash inflow and present value cash flow of machinery B. To calculate this, what we are going to do, A के लिए हम लोग 2,40,000 इंटू प्रेजेंट वैल्यू फैक्टर्स जो है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. लाइक if you have noticed over here, we have in the formula D16 is over here into F16. So we have multiplied this two and we have taken the total over here. Done. इसको दोनों को multiply किया है, like this value 2,40,000 and 0.8696, and with this we have got the value over here, and again you need to drag and you will get the all the values. Same goes for this, for machine B 80,000 into 0.8696 and you will get this value. ठीक है, यह होने के बाद you need to take a total. For total we have the formula called as sum is equal to G16 is starting from here to G20. So we have taken total and we have got the total. Done. Now the outflow is mentioned already in the question as 8 lakhs. So we have written over here. Now the NPV says it is what? G21. Done. Minus outflow, inflow minus outflow. So with this you will get the value of the NPV, and the value of the NPV is highest for machine B, and machine B should be accepted, and machine A should be accepted and B should be rejected. Using Excel, how we are going to calculate it? the discounted value is mentioned over here. Done. For the machines, and the outflow is mentioned over here. Done. So what is the formula for the NPV? NPV is equal to H20 is 28 is nothing but the rate. Rate is how much? H28. Somewhere we have written H28. Over here we have. Okay. So H28 is here. So we have taken the rate, then comma, it is D16. We have over here machine D16 से लेके पूरा ये ले लिया है D20 तक, and minus G22. G22 is over here, the outflow. Done. So with the Excel you will able to calculate doing this sum like for calculation purpose in your book. If you are taking the pen and pencil and doing it, it will take up 5 or 7 minutes, but with the Excel you will automatically like do the will able to perform this sum in next 1 minute. So you just need to put a percentage, then inflows and minus outflow. Done. And outflow, since we have taken it in the positive manner, we have written the value over here in positive. अगर निगेटिव लिखते तो हम लोग यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ निगेटिव हम लोग पॉजिटिव लिखते हैं, जैसे प्रीवियस सम में हम लोगों ने किया है. सो विद दिस वी हैव एबल टू सॉल्व द टू सम्स सक्सेसफुली. लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट सम. Calculate the NPV to decide which project is beneficial. Particulars, rate is given. Done. And projected values are given. Okay, projected value for the project A and project B is given. Now the NPV, how we are supposed to calculate? NPV is equal to rate. E35 is nothing but the rate. E35 is over here, rate. Done. Comma, what we are supposed to write? The inflows. So inflows are starting from E37 to E39. We have taken it. Thereafter comma, sorry, close the bracket. And if you have seen, अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन लिया है, एंड फॉर दिस सम वी हैव टेकन द नेगेटिव साइन. सॉरी, and for this sum we have taken the negative sign. The reason being, this outflow is mentioned in positive manner and this outflow is mentioned in negative sign. So let's write the formula once again. Is equal to NPV in bracket, the rate, it is mentioned over here, comma, the values, this inflow we are supposed to take. Done. The bracket complete. Now since the value, this value is in negative, we will take the positive symbol and this value. This with this you will get the value as 222.76. Now from these two projects we should go with the project A, as the NPV of project A is highest. I hope the things are clear. The NPV will be calculated by using is equal to NPV, then rate should be taken, rate is 11%, sorry, NPV in bracket, write down the rate, take a rate, then thereafter the inflows, bracket complete. The value mentioned is in negative, so we should take a positive symbol over here, write a value, enter, you will get the value. I hope the things are clear. Now you will notice over here we have 0.10 as a value. If you want you can increase the decimals over here. ठीक है, तुम लोग ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज कर सकते हो वैल्यूज़ के लिए. We are done for the day. Next 3 sums will be covered under the 3 different videos. Thank you so much class.